Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the world of BlockFi and start earning some serious interest on your crypto? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you how to make the most of BlockFi in a way that's super easy and, dare I say, fun. Oh, and don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer. First things first, head over to BlockFi.com and sign up. It's a quick and painless process. Just your standard email and password setup. Once you've verified your email, you're in. Now, let's get your crypto into BlockFi. Go to the deposit section and you'll see various options for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other supported cryptocurrencies. Simply copy the deposit address, go to your wallet, and send your crypto over. Easy peasy. You'll usually see your funds in your BlockFi account within a few minutes. Now this is where the magic happens. Start earning interest. Head over to the Interest Account tab. Here you can see the interest rates for different cryptocurrencies. The best part? Interest compounds monthly, so you're earning interest on your interest. But wait, there's more. BlockFi also offers crypto-backed loans. Need some cash but don't want to sell your crypto? No problem. Go to the Loan tab, choose your collateral, and get a loan in USD. It's that simple. And if you're into trading, BlockFi's got you covered. Their Trading tab lets you swap between different cryptocurrencies with ease. No need to move your assets to another exchange. Before I go, remember to click the link in the description to get your special offer. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy cryptoing!